Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a bold black brow look. So I'm starting off with this spoolie and I'm simply going to brush the hairs upward. So then I am taking my Makeup Forever black eyeliner and I'm going to go along the bottom of my brow and shape that with a nice clean cut line. Then I'm going to go back to the spoolie and kind of blend that while brushing the hairs up once again. So the hairs are going to be on point. We're going to get them into place. I'm taking this Clinique mascara. Excuse me, I'm a little sick by the way. And I'm going to shape and define the hairs once again. So you can see I'm really outlining them and just emphasizing them, I guess you could say. This is my BH Cosmetics brow palette and I'm going in with the black brow palm and with a Wet n Wild small dense brush, and I'm going to really fill in at this point. So I'm just doing small strokes, brushing the hairs down and getting that perfect brow shape. And I am trying to do the fade. The fade at the inner point of your eyebrow is so important for natural looking bold brows. I actually took some hairspray and sprayed them down to try and make everything stay into place. That was the first time I tried it. Here's my BH Cosmetics Cream Contour Palette. I'm taking the yellow pale color and that's what I'm using to conceal around my brows. So I'm creating that concealed line and then I'm going to blend that out. I'm doing small downward strokes to blend that, you guys. I'm using the same brush and just blending it out. I'm doing the top as well, and I will use some help from my beauty blender with the blending. So you can see the difference now between the two brows. This brow actually turned out so perfect. I was really happy. And there's the other one. So basically we are going to move on and finish up this look. I think this look slays so much. So I just wanted to touch up that inner corner because like I said, that inner part of the eyebrow is so important. So this is my NYX custom shadow palette. I'm taking this beautiful orange color. It goes so well with the dark hair, dark brows, my nude lip color, and my color shirt. This look is seriously so bomb. So I'm blending that all around my lid. And this is the finished outcome, you guys. If you enjoyed this brow video, please like this video and subscribe to me and let me know what else you guys want to see. Again, I'm sorry about my voice and my sinuses, but I wanted to post something for you guys, so have a great day.